Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Subramanian. Today I am going to share this very special Rajasthani style Laal Maas. Now this is a very special dish and I've been waiting to share this for a very long time, and this particular dish requires these special chilies called the Mathania red chilies. This is very rich and very spicy and it also gives a lovely red color to the dish. Now the cooking time is a little longer than normal because we are not going to make this in the cooker or anything. We are going to cook it in a pot, and make sure you get fresh mutton, that is meat, to make this recipe. For the Laal Maas recipe, I have taken about 25 Mathania chillies. So these are special chillies. We are first going to soak these chillies with a little bit of water. Soak the chillies till they are nice and soft. So I have soaked them for about an hour. Transfer the soaked chillies to the mixer jar. So first I am grinding them without adding any water. Add a little chilli soaked water and grind nicely to a fine smooth paste. You can see the red chilli paste, it's nice and fine. Make sure you grind it to a nice fine paste. Take a wide pan or a nice deep kadai. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Now traditionally mustard oil is used for this preparation, but if you don't have mustard oil, you can just use any regular cooking oil. Next we are going to add all the whole spices: cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. We have the green cardamom and the large black cardamom, bay leaf, mace, and a little bit of nutmeg. Next add 5 large onions thinly sliced. Add about 4 whole Mathania chillies. Saute the onions till they are a nice golden color. You can see the onions have become nice and golden. Now I am going to add the ginger and garlic paste. So we are going to add a lot of garlic paste for this particular recipe. I am adding about 1.5 tablespoons, and I am adding about 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. I have taken 1 kilo of fresh mutton with bone for this recipe. Add the mutton pieces, mix everything together along with the onions. Next add the ground chilli paste. After adding the chilli paste, cook for about 5 minutes. Next add about 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Next add about 2 teaspoons of salt. So after adding the salt, I am just going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Adding ghee will give you a very nice rich flavor. So after about 5 minutes, add about 1 cup of whisked curd. Mix it well along with the mutton pieces. So you can see how gradually the color is changing. So the key to this dish is to slow cook it. We are going to slow cook the meat. So curd will tenderize the meat. Next add 2 cups of water. Mix everything well. Now we are going to slow cook the mutton. Cook for about 1 hour on medium-low flame. After 1 hour, you can see the mutton is cooked beautifully. The oil has separated. I'm just going to season it with a little salt. Wow, the mutton piece looks perfect. It's so juicy and tender. So if you do want to cook it longer, you can cook it for another half an hour or so. Finally, finish off by adding some chopped coriander leaves. This delicious An absolutely fabulous Rajasthani Laal Maas is ready to be served. It's best served with some nice roti or chapati by the side. Here is this absolutely delicious, rich and spicy Laal Maas. This is best enjoyed with some nice roti or chapati by the side. Make sure you follow all the steps. Suppose the Mathania chilies are not available, you can substitute it with some Kashmiri red chilies or the regular red chilies. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now. So you can place your orders on 21frames.in.